Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Advika's Mom. So today I'm going to show you a special recipe that is homemade delicious traditional oven cake. So let's get started. So all you need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 or 1.5 cup of sugar according to your taste, 3 eggs, and you need essence. I'm taking vanilla essence here. Okay, you can take whatever you wish. Now take a bowl, beat all the 3 eggs, break the eggs into a bowl. As you can see what I am doing, just break them into the bowl first. And beat them nicely. Okay, I'm using a hand whisker here. Whatever you have, if you have electric one or if you don't have one also, that's fine. You can use a spoon also. Okay, that's completely fine. You just need to beat for a long time if you're using a hand whisker. Okay, yes, you have to beat it. Then now add sugar into it and completely add the sugar completely. If you want, you can make sugar powder also. Okay, but I prefer sugar because I feel it gives more puffiness to the cake. So that's the reason I added crystal sugar itself without making it a powder. Again I started beating it nicely. Okay, see, I'm beating it, right? You have to beat it until you get a nice foam. Okay, see, that's how I'm beating it. Okay, it takes at least 15 to 20 minutes of your time to do this. You have to be more patient because this sugar should be melted completely. Okay, you should not have the crystals. Okay, now you have to add 1 cup of oil. Okay, or you can take butter if you want, the homemade one if you want. Okay, but I am taking oil here. Okay, just whisk it again, nicely mix everything. Now see, you can see the consistency. Just keep beating it nicely. Now you have to add all-purpose flour. Okay, add it slowly and mix it nicely again. As I told you, it will at least take 15 to 20 minutes. If you are a beginner, it will take at least half an hour of your time to whisk it like this. And you have to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and again start beating it. If you don't have a baking powder, you can go with the Eno packets. Okay, you have Eno powder, right? You can go with that also if you don't have at home. Now, as I told you, this is a traditional oven. The traditional oven has a base where you have to fill the base with salt or sand. I am filling it with sand as I have sand with me. Now I'm filling the base completely with sand. Okay, as you can see, I have sand, so I'm using sand. If you don't have sand, you can go with salt also. That's completely fine. Okay, so see, I'm just filling it completely, the base. The weather is so good today, that is the reason I've decided to make a cake. As my daughter asked me to prepare a cake today and the weather is also too good. Yes, now I have placed that base on stove. Okay, you have to preheat it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now take the batter completely and mix it nicely once again and add vanilla essence in it and mix it nicely. Okay, 1 tablespoon is enough. Now we have to mix it nicely again. Okay, you can do it, check the consistency. It should not be too thick or too thin. It should be like creamy texture. Now I'm adding some tutti frutti, dry fruits like badam and cashew, whatever I have with me at home ready. So I'm just adding it. You can add whatever dry fruits or tutti frutti, whatever you have, you can add it. Okay, it depends upon your taste. Okay, so now the batter is ready and the oven base is preheated. Now you have to once again check the consistency. You see that it should be like that. Now take the oven, okay, the main part. Next apply oil or ghee or butter, whatever you have at home, nicely to the edges. Make sure you're applying it nicely to all the edges. This is to make sure the cake doesn't get stick to the oven. Okay, you have to make sure the oven is the oil is completely spread towards all the ends of the oven. Okay, as I'm taking oil, you can take whatever you have at your home. Okay, if you're having ghee, it is also good. Okay, see, I'm applying it nicely. Okay, completely you have to make sure you're applying it. Okay, this is very important because if you don't apply it properly, the cake will get stuck to the edges. So that's why I'm telling you again and again, make sure you're doing it properly. Yes, see, it's almost over. Now I am adding the batter into the oven. As you can see, I'm adding the batter again inside it. You can see, right? Yes, so completely add it inside the oven. Okay, and now you can add the dry fruits. Okay, just for the sake of just to decorate the cake, I'm just adding at the top. Okay, I've already mixed some inside the batter. Now I'm adding on the top of it just for decorating the cake. Okay, you have choco chips or whatever you have, you can add just to make the cake more yummy. Okay, so now you have to place this oven on the base, that is on the sand base. Okay, you have to check that it is on high flame. Okay, initially wait for 1 minute and check whether it starts boiling or not. I don't mean complete boiling, like cooking. Okay, just check that. Okay, keep it in medium flame and close the lid. Okay, you can see whatever is happening through the holes which you have on the top. Okay, just make sure you are having it on a medium high flame. Okay, medium to high flame, and then check it whether it is getting cooked or not. Okay, you will understand while you see that. And you can see after 25 minutes I have opened the cake oven, and then you can see the cake is ready. You can check the cake by touching it and also by just inserting a toothpick, or you can just use your knife. If it is not getting stuck, okay, it is not sticky, which means your cake is ready. See, like this. Now it means your cake is completely ready to use. Okay, so this is how your cake looks. You will have a nice flavor. It came out very good. Yes, it's yummy. You can also give it a try, guys. Okay, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe.